Are you sick of seeing your PayPal account empty every day? Have you tried everything you knew about affiliate marketing, but still not getting the desired results you wished for? Don't worry, because on this page, I'm going to provide you the solution to jumpstart your affiliate commission overnight. Presenting to you Commission Blueprint 2.0, the complete 20 step-by-step video training you'll ever need to generate massive affiliate commissions on a daily basis starting today. Here are just a few things you'll discover in this training. How to get started and build a profitable affiliate business by selling other people's products. The time-tested formula used by successful marketers to build a massive affiliate business empire within months. How to identify hot, in-demand products that will convert like crazy while making you a ton of money at the same time. How to build up a profitable mailing list that will keep buying whatever you promote to them. And so many more. For a limited time only, we're offering this complete 20 step-by-step video series at a massive discount today. So scroll down this page to learn more about this special offer.